Amazon has automated this down to a few minutes. Here we've got the code deploy console with an app we've already set up. It's named Simple App. We'll be pushing the sample app to a deployment group named Demo Group. It has 3 EC2 instances in it. We've deployed our app already. It's a little JavaScript web shell. See where it says welcome? We'll change that in just a minute. The next step is to add a solano.yaml to your app. This is a text configuration file that is version controlled like the rest of your app, so you always know what your build will do. To set up code deploy, add a deploy to Amazon section. Set the code deploy app spec template, the name of the app to deploy to, and then you can make per branch configuration on how to handle deploys. We're changing master and deploying to a staging server, so we want to deploy all the way through. For test or production branches, you can set them to just publish the app bundle and wait for your ops team to click deploy. I've made a small change to the banner. I'll commit it. And all that's left is to push. Solano CI and code deploy takes care of the rest. Solano's UI has a convenient dashboard, but we'll go right into the detail view for this build that's running. As the build progresses and tests start and run, we'll see updates in real time. Now that the test is passed, the deploy is going to begin. We'll see its status update here. And the deploy has completed.
Now we'll go to our code deploy dashboard, where we can see a list of our recent deployments, including our latest one. We can view all of the details down to the instance level for each one. In this case, the deploy succeeded, so let's go to the app.